In this video, I want to show you how to calculate full width of maximum for XRD peaks in origin. Here is Scherrer equation, and that is D equals K lambda divided by beta cos of theta, where D is the average crystallite size and K is dimension less constant depending on the crystallite shape. It has a value of 0.94 for homogeneous sample and 0.89 for heterogeneous sample. And lambda equals 0.154 nanometer in case of copper K alpha X-rays. And beta represents full width half maximum, and that measures in radian. And theta represents the position angle of peaks. Full width half maximum is measured at 50% of the intensity height of peak. Here you can see, suppose we have a peak, then we have a maximum at this point, then we just take the half of the maximum, and this is the point that represents the half of the maximum. And please note the XRD patterns is intensity versus 2 theta, and we measured the width of the highest peak at 50% on 2 theta axis. Further, please note that it is used to characterize different material properties and surface integrity features. Okay, now let me show you how to calculate full width half maximum for XRD peaks. Let's start. Okay, so go to the option analysis where you will select peak and baseline option. Further click on the peak analyzer and then finally click on the open dialog option. By doing this, simply this window will be open. Here, simply click on the find peaks and then come to this point where enable auto find. Simply remove the tick mark and then click on add. Once you do that, then further this window will be opened, and you see by according to this window, now we will double click on each and every peak. Okay, let me click on this window. Yes, and sorry, on this peak and on this. Okay, so after double clicking at each and every peak, click on done, and then simply this window will open again where you will click on the peak info. Here you can find that as we have double click on two peaks, so first peak is at 260 degree and another one is 54 degree, and they have their own heights. Now click on OK, then simply click on next, and after that you see, let me show you different quantities which you can see here, peak area, percent area, and so on, and your desired quantity, that is full width half maximum, is mentioned here as well. Okay, now we will click on the finish. So that's how we have done all of the steps needed for finding the full width half maximum for each XRD peaks. Now go to the data file, and here you will see that you get the full width half maximum for each and every peak. Okay, students, that's how you will calculate the full width half maximum for each and every XRD peaks. Thank you.